Radha was a very talented girl who always wanted to excel. However, she was very troubled by her studies. She was facing new problems and challenges at school every day. One day, she went to her father and said, "Papa, I'm tired of these difficulties. I don't understand what to do." Papa smiled and said, "Come, let me show you something." He told Radha to go to the kitchen and bring an egg, some tea leaves, and a potato. Radha went to the kitchen and brought the items. Papa poured water into 3 pots and placed them on the stove to boil. In one pot, he placed the potato, in the second the egg, and in the third the tea leaves. After some time, he turned off the stove and said to Radha, "Now peel the shell of the egg, peel the potato, and strain the tea." Radha peeled the shell of the egg, peeled the potato, and strained the tea. When she removed the shell of the egg, she saw that what was once soft inside had now become hard. When she peeled the potato, she found that what was once hard had now become soft. And when she strained the tea, she saw that the tea leaves had changed the color and flavor of the water. Papa smiled and said, "Daughter, all 3 of these things face the same situation, boiling water. But their responses were different. The egg, which was fragile inside, had now become hard. The potato, which was hard before, had now become soft. And the tea leaves had transformed the water itself." In life, challenges and difficulties are like boiling water. It is up to us how we respond to them. We can either become hardened or we can lose our toughness and become soft. But the best way is to have the power to change the circumstances, just like the tea leaves do. Radha understood her father's words. She smiled and said, "Papa, now I will face every challenge with strength and wisdom." Life's difficulties do not come to bring us down. Rather, they come to teach us how we can change circumstances with our perspective and behavior.
We hope you liked the story. We'll be back with more exciting tales from the Creative Crow. Thank you for listening.